Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. This is Sacred Sabbath Day.
Here we have Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden, the first people on the earth. So those people out there who say that we don't read the Bible or pay attention to its stories, yes, they are great stories. Noah building the ark. But we also believe it is true world history, where some people think that the Bible is just a nice storybook to read. We think it's a lot more than that. We think it's a true account of the world history before Christ came to the earth, while he was here on the earth, and even for part of his resurrection as well, and talking about the prophets that were in that time in the world. This one is Abraham, when God told him that Sarah would have a son. See, another Bible story. Jacob blessing his sons. Book of Genesis. Aaron is called to the ministry of the church. The laying on of hands on his head, that is what we called using the priesthood. He was receiving priesthood blessings so he could be able to conduct his work in the church. God appears to the boy prophet Samuel. 1 Samuel chapter 3, 19 and 20. See, another Bible reference. This, they show a prophet writing down his visions to be preserved. And who is this prophet? Isaiah. When he saw the vision of Christ's birth. Then here you have more visions being told. By who? Daniel interprets Nebuchadnezzar's dream. Another Bible story. All these paintings we have here on Temple Square. Here we have the angel Gabriel talking to Mary, telling him that she will bear Christ the Savior, that she had been found favor of God, and that she would be the mother